In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Amazon not using your gift card balance. Now, this is a very quick and easy fix, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in this video, we're going to be going through a few steps to try and fix this issue, and the first step is to actually check your gift card balance. You can do that by going up to the top right corner, hovering over your name, then going down to your account. From there, you want to go to gift cards and top up over here, and you want to just check your balance. You see, you want to make sure you do have enough balance in your account, because if you don't, this is going to cause an issue and it's not going to allow you to use your gift card balance. So if you've checked your balance and you have enough in there but it's still not letting you buy, what I would suggest you do is actually contact Amazon customer support. If you type into Google Amazon contact us, you'll actually get taken to this page. From here, we can click payments, charges, invoices and gift cards. We want to choose gift cards and top up in the bottom right corner. And we're going to say that we need help using gift cards and top up balance. From there, we can click unable to use my gift card balance. They will try help you, but if you need to get through to someone, you can go ahead and click I need more help. And then you can start chatting with an agent who will actually work with you to help you solve this problem. From there, if you've spoken to them and they're still not able to get your gift card balance working, what I would suggest you do is just use a different payment method and then try and use your gift card balance another day. Hopefully it was just a glitch within the Amazon system, and it should resolve itself. So that's how you can fix Amazon not using your gift card balance. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.